Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do colander pour. I have this colander that it doesn't have holes but some stripes, and it has this raised middle with some holes kind of here, so I expect that some paint will flow underneath here and maybe create some nice effects. And I will still use primary colors because I expect I will try to put it kind of in the middle. And I'm working on wooden canvas sorry, that I used it before and I didn't like the pour, so I just paint it with white. And I will use, just wait for my clock to say his thing, her thing, not his, 3-chamber cup, and I will pour some primary cyan in there. I did an open cup with the flower shaped cup in my last video, and because I know that paint will, with this technique, paints will mix a little bit together. That's why I'm using primary colors, because they create all kind of nice shades of green and purple if they mix together. And primary yellow, I use Amsterdam primary colors, and primary magenta. And I have some white. So if I have my middle kind of here, let's try to find the middle. I will use a string. Where are my scissors? To mark the middle. Kind of. I'll try. Oop. So it should be somewhere around here. Don't need to be totally precise, just, you know. Okay, so here is kind of the middle. And I will pour a little white here around this circle, just to have some flow extender. Okay. Help paint to flow. And now I will put my colander here, and I will pour here around, not in the middle, and we will see. And I will spin my spinner while I'm doing that, and we will see what will happen. So let's start. Some rings on top. Maybe I should do that at the beginning. Now I will pour a little more white around and spin it out while I'm still having my colander on. will just spread this white towards the sides, that paint will flow evenly. Towards the sides, hopefully. We will see. I like to say with fluid art, with acrylic pouring, if you don't try, you don't know. And that's why I find this art form so interesting and amazing, because it's always a surprise factor to that. So let's spin this out a little more. Okay, and now I will try to remove my colander. And I will grab a skewer and play with the middle a little bit. I will basically try to follow those lines that are already there to kind of connect this. So here is a close-up. I will admit that I did expect a little different results. I really like this part where probably was the ring part. I don't even know why I started that way. Sometimes, you know, it's just you do something that you didn't even mean to. before. But at the end I'm kind of happy with the painting. Yes, it is psychedelic one, but still not so bad. It kind of looks like a rainbow star or something. But I was definitely sorry, I still cough quite hard. Had a different plan. So I will just say thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.